In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download in CapCut for free, and more importantly, how to fix the problem when export gets blocked by Pro features. If you've ever finished editing a video and then seen CapCut ask you to pay before exporting, don't worry, because there's a simple way around that. This is useful if you want to export your project without upgrading, and it can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and take a close look at your timeline. The most common reason export is blocked is because the project uses paid or pro elements. That can include certain fonts, premium animations, stickers, templates, transitions, or effects. CapCut will usually mark these items with a pro badge, so scan through your video carefully and look for anything that has that label. If you find one, remove it from the timeline or replace it with a free version. This is the most important step, because as long as your project contains pro assets, the free export option may stay locked. So go through each section of your edit, especially text layers, overlays, and effects, and make sure everything is available in the free plan. Once you've removed every pro element, your project should be ready to export normally. Now that your timeline is clean, go to the Export button in the top corner. Click Export, and CapCut will open the Export settings screen. Here, you can choose the settings you want for your final video, like resolution, format, and quality. If you're exporting for social media, a standard resolution is usually fine, but you can adjust it based on your needs and device. After choosing your settings, click Export again to start the rendering process. CapCut will now process your video and save it to your device without requiring the Pro upgrade, as long as no paid elements are left in the project. If the export still doesn't work, go back and double-check the timeline one more time, because even one premium item can stop the free download. A quick cleanup usually solves the issue. And that's it. Once you remove the Pro elements and follow the export steps, you can download your CapCut video for free. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.